11 things you must know about locks. Dun dun dun. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Mfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. On this channel, I'm here to advise, guide, and give you tips on locks for you to love. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned. Keep watching. Don't you want to learn about tips that you should know about these locks? Keep watching. Tip number 1, clean your hair. This is what I use. I use Dr. Bronner's lavender, sometimes peppermint, to clean my hair. I like this. I like what my hair feels like. My scalp loves it. So get a shampoo that works well for your hair and cleans it well. Tip number 2, moisturize your locks. It's very important to seal in the moisture, keep your locks healthy, and find some products that work well with your hair. For me, I like aloe vera gel and juice. I usually put the juice mixed with my rose water. Beautiful concoction. And to seal it, I use coconut oil, a light oil, or depending on the weather, black castor oil. Tip number 3 about these locks, things that you must know. Tip number 3, massage your scalp. A healthy scalp promotes growth for your locks. Maintain the foundation, which is your scalp, that provides room for the roots of the lock to grow. And for me, what I do is at night before I go to bed, I just massage my scalp. Especially after I moisturize it. It does the body, not so much the body, but it also does the hair good. Whew. Tip number 4, don't forget to protect your locks, especially when you go to sleep. So for me, I use a scarf. And let me give you a moment of honesty for myself. Sometimes I use a scarf and sometimes I don't. And since I haven't been consistent with using a scarf, I do have lint on my hair. But you live and you learn. So don't forget to use your scarf. Tip number 5, don't retwist a lot. I know some people like that clean look with their locks, but remember, too much time in your hair can disrupt the growth and cause more problems than you need. For me, I don't retwist, I interlock, and with the interlock method, I'm able not to touch my hair for 3 months. I do maintain it by going through it, making sure like none of my locks merge, but don't overdo it. And that's the same with interlocking, because some people can interlock too much as well. Take care of that scalp. Tip number 6, I don't know if it's necessarily a tip, but whatever. A tip to your locks. Diversity. You're able to style your hair however you want, which I love. And the styles that you're able to do is just, it brings so much happiness to my heart. And I like playing with it. I mean, for example, I don't even have any sides. So I'm missing a total of, I think, 4 locks. I took 2 from each side. And I'm still able to do the things that I love to do with my hair. So style away. This brings me to tip 7. Protective styles that last for a long time. You don't want to have your hands in your hair a lot. So if you can find a style that lasts for a long time, is even better. And that's the other thing I like about styles. You can find a style that you like, wear for a week or two, and then find another style and wear for another week or two. So you're not in your hair so much. So long lasting styles about those lines. That's one. Number 8. So when you're washing your locks, you want to be very gentle with your hair. And there's tools, there's things that you can do to still get your hair clean, but not be so rough on your scalp. Remember, the scalp is a foundation. You want to be gentle with it. You want to take care of your hair. You want to figure out what your hair likes and don't like, because you want to promote growth. Number 9, protect your hair from heat. So protective styles, different types of styling that you could do with your locks, and finding ways to protect your hair from heat by using less heat. Air dry your hair. Don't use a blow dryer. Do not put a flat iron on your hair. Again, to each its own. You do whatever you want with your hair. My advice, in my opinion, less heat is better for your hair. And I try to do hairstyles that don't require heat at all. I do a lot of wetting my hair, setting my hair, next day taking it out and hoping for the best. Less heat is more. 10, separate your locks. So since I do the interlock method and I go about 3 months without interlocking my hair, during the course of the 3 months, it's very important to go through your locks and separate them to make sure they're not marrying, coming together, becoming one. You don't want that. Not unless that's what the style you want to do. But if you're not trying to achieve that kind of style, then you want to go through your locks and make sure they're staying separated. Last but not least, 11. Patience is key. Patience with your hair is very important. Yes, you may have people that you are inspired by, that you want to resemble or copy, or just inspire to be when it comes to your lock journey. And sometimes it could be discouraging, or it can motivate you in a way that you just don't have the patience to wait. So you want to go out and do all these other things when it requires you to sit in the way. So my best advice is enjoy every part of the journey. The beautiful stage in the beginning, the budding, the mature locks, the growth, the thinning, the locks that you have to put together. Like, all these things come with the journey, and it comes with patience. Lay a strong foundation from the beginning and watch it grow. I am so glad you stayed here and watched this video on 11 things you must know about your locks. But if you like this video, you will enjoy this video over here. Thanks for watching, and come here. Come here. Go watch some more videos.